Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. There's a breaking news here. If you thought your iPhone was getting iOS 19 later this year, think again. In this video, we are diving into Apple's big software naming change, fresh leaks, and what it will means to next iPhone software update. I'll show you. Breaking news for the iPhone: for the first time in 15 years, Apple is planning to rebrand the software naming scheme. According to Bloomberg, Apple is making a sweeping change, and instead of iOS 19, we are getting iOS 26. Yes, iOS 26 as the year 2026. So here's the idea. Apple wants to streamline its software naming across all the devices. So instead of iOS 18, watchOS 11, macOS 15, and watchOS 12, everything will align under the year-based name. iOS 26, iPadOS 26, macOS 26, watchOS, and visionOS 26. This move is not just about names, it's about making the entire software ecosystem more cohesive. We can expect a unified design language across iOS, watchOS, macOS, and even visionOS. Settings, icons, and overall functionality are all getting a streamlined look and feel. These changes will be officially unveiled at WWDC 2025 on June 9, with the first beta version rolling out immediately after. Mark your calendars because it's going to be game changer. You might be wondering why it's called iOS 26 even though it's releases in 2025. Well, just like car manufacturers release models for the next year, Apple's software naming reflects the majority of the time you will spend using it, from September 2025 through the March 2026. Rumors also suggest a major design overhaul. Think cleaner layout and more intuitive settings and cohesive look across all the devices. So there are all the changes. I think the Apple is going to make all these changes. So there you have it, the upcoming changes with iOS 26, Apple's bold new direction. What do you think about the naming scheme and the potential feature? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Apple latest. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.